Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use the Smartmatch operator, which is this guy here, in combination with any. Alright, so what I've done, I've created a subroutine here called Smartmatch, and underneath I've written Smartmatch here. This calls the subroutine up here. So let's start, shall we? Okay, I'm going to create an array here called numbers, and I'm going to assign it some numbers, just something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should be enough. Right, we're going to get some input from the user, and we can do this by creating a scalar variable called entry. I'm going to call it entry, you can call it anything you want, it'll work, but I always use entry because I'm more comfortable using that, and it's quite descriptive as well. And then prompt here. And in the box, we'll ask the user to enter a number. So the user will enter a number in there, and we'll try and match it, see if it's in the array. So now we come on to the conditional. If the entry, what the user has typed in, and we're going to use the Smartmatch operator here. If it matches any and numbers in this array, if it matches any of the numbers in there, we're going to do something. And we're just going to print out something to the user using say found a match. And if the number's not in there, we're going to use else or, which is like a catch-all statement. Else, we're going to tell the user that. We're going to say no match. Okay, let's just save this now, and I'm going to call the routine. Well, I've already written this down. This here we'll call the subroutine. So let's run the program. So type in Raku, name of the program, which is test.raku. Hit enter. Okay, I've got to enter in a number, so let's enter in a number that's in the array and see if we get a match. So I'm going to type in 4 because I know 4 is in the array here. So 4. Found a match. Okay, let's run the program again. Raku test.raku. And let's put a number in that isn't in the array, number 10. So our array only goes up to 8, so let's hit enter there. And there you go, no match. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that was useful, and remember, as always, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.